Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First we have to go for drawing and click OK. Then we have to specify the sheet sizes based upon your requirement. Then click OK. After that you have to browse the component which we are going to drafting. So browse the component. Select the corresponding components to be drafting. Then just click open. Now our component is drafted at a different views. After making a projection of views, we have to change the angle of projection based upon your requirement. For changing the angle of projections, we have to just go for sheets. Just make a right click on the sheet. Then go to the properties. Select a properties. Here we have changed the angle of projection. First angle of projection or third angle of projection based upon your requirement. Just you have to specify the angle of projection, what you want to be drafted. Then just click OK. Now our component is automatically changed to first angle of projection. This is a method of changing the angle of projection. To get the regular updates of my video, please subscribe in my channel. Don't forget to like and share. Inshallah, we will meet in next video.